I am going to show you a sneak preview of the brand new Ford Mustang 2011. It is an awesome car. Look at this. Pretty cool car, huh? It has tires like no other. They're popped, especially for you. The seats, they made them greasy just for you. Steering wheel, it's huge, just for you. And look at that little antenna. People are digging the antenna. I mean, who would want a car with no antenna? Also, if you want a sneak peek of the brand new Ford F-150, then here it is, right here before your eyes, coming soon. I'm waiting. Right there. Whoops. That is the 2012 Ford F-150. It's an amazing car, I know. In the back, there's a toilet seat. And it's blue! Goes with the green car. I know. But, without that, you'd probably still be riding in your little, like, BMW, so I wouldn't be talking. And then, this is the Chrysler, thing. The 2012 version. It's an awesome car. See? Look closely. There's not even any windows, so when it rains, you'll get all wet. You'll be digging this car. Also, you're really, really close. Really close. Right here. Right there. There's a little line. And they put it there for no reason. So, that's a sneak preview.